Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel A1 TV. In one African country, a man who memorized the Quran and the Sharia became the imam of a mosque in a mosque. People respected that scholar very much. A follower invited him to his house for iftar during Ramadan. The scholar accepted the invitation and reached the house of the follower at the time of iftar. He was given a warm welcome there. After iftar, the cleric prayed for the host and left. Muqtada's wife cleaned the guest house after the scholar left. So he remembered that he had kept some money in the guest house. But despite much searching, the woman did not find the money and she asked her husband, "Have you taken that money?" The husband replied, "No." And then she told her husband that no one came to our house except the guest and our baby was in the other room and the baby in the cradle couldn't steal. Eventually the two came to the conclusion that the money had been stolen by the guest. And the thought did not go unnoticed by the host. How could it be that we called our house with so much respect and they did it wrong? This man should have been a role model for the nation, not a thief. Despite his grief and anger, the man hid the matter out of shame, but in the meanwhile he stayed away from the cleric so that he would not have to say salam dua. In the same way, the year passed and then Ramadan came and people again with the same special love and enthusiasm started inviting religious scholars to their homes for iftar. This man said to his wife, "What should we do, Maulana Sahib? Call home or not?" The wife said should be called, because it is possible that they raised the money in the world of compulsion. We forgive them so that Allah may forgive us our sins. And then this man invited Maulana Sahib to his house for iftar with the same respect. And when they finished breaking the fast, the host said to the guest, "Sir, you will notice that my attitude towards you has changed over the years." The scholar replied, "Yes, but due to my busy schedule, I could not find out the reason from you." The host said, "Qibla, I have a question and I hope you will give a clear answer. Last year during Ramadan my wife put some money in the guest house and then forgot to take that money. And after you left, we didn't find that money. What money did you take?" The cleric said, "Yes, I did." The host was shocked and upset and the scholar continued, "When I started to leave the guest house, I saw that there was money on the counter because the wind was blowing hard and the notes were flying around in the wind, so I collected the notes. And I put the money under the floor or somewhere else. Couldn't keep it. You can't find the money and worry." The scholar then shook his head loudly and started crying loudly and then addressing the host said, "I am not crying because you accused me of stealing even though it is very painful, but I am crying because the whole year, about 355 days have passed and none of you have read a single page of the Quran, and if you opened the Quran once, you would find money in the Quran." Hearing this, the host got up very quickly, picked up the Quran and brought it. He opened it quickly and it was seen that the entire amount was kept in the Quran. Comment. This is the case of some Muslims who do not open the Quran even during the year and consider themselves true Muslims by breaking the fast only with Qari Sahib or a few friends.